When you educate a man, you just educate an individual. When you educate a woman, you educate the entire humanity. The intuitive guidance compelled the founder, Mr. R.P. Mody, to streamline his vision into reality and transform the meaning of education of women. Sprawling majestically over 265 acres of campus, one of the finest attributes of the Mody University is its lush green campus. Its mesmerizing beauty inspires freshness of mind and creativity of thought. The delightful visitors that frequent the campus, enraptured by its serenity, further enhance nature's color palette. Mody University, with its impeccable infrastructure and facilities, takes care that the minds of the students are free and receptively focused towards garnering education and self-development. Unobstructed security is the prime concern for the well-being of our students.
Here we have got 3-layer security, electronic surveillance, then we have got the fencing, and then manual security.
Mody University offers a practical and hands-on approach to understand and learn science subjects through its highly advanced and well-equipped laboratories.
I've started several new courses, master's level programs in physics, chemistry, and in psychology and English. With this, I'm hoping to build a new liberal arts college in India on the pattern of USA.
The International Standard Computer Labs give a cutting edge to hone the IT skills of students. One-of-a-kind practical approach to law through its smooth code is such an example of Mody University's commitment towards imparting quality education.
We are preparing our students in such a way they can compete with any other national university or other university in the world.
Under the able guidance of our President, Dr. Vishwanath Prasad, College of Architecture and College of Fashion Design have been recently initiated at the university.
We are also starting an interior design course here. It's not only interior design of houses, but commercials for offices, corporate, film sets.
At Mody University, you'll find a curriculum that is truly global. Scholarships and international internships prepare you for global exposure. Our students have recently visited CERN in Switzerland, GSI in Germany, and other prominent universities globally.
We both have been selected for the prestigious summer internship program at University of North Texas, United States. And we are really grateful to Mody University for giving us such a global exposure for our personal growth.
Students, especially from all across the globe and northeastern parts of India, find a home away from home.
My name is Ms. Miranda Dimari. I came from Udalguri, Assam. I'm pursuing BCom from Mody University since 2013. I have lots of great experience out here. I have lots of friends and they're from all over India. They're just like my sister.
Mody University empowers you to kindle and unleash the fire of confidence. It helps the students to harness their true potential through yoga, meditation, and regular extracurricular activities. Extensive sports facilities enables her to focus towards success and learn the lessons of life through teamwork, coordination, and sportsman spirit. The woman within her resolves to seize victory at every stage of life.
Hi, I'm Sheena Jagga, the lawn tennis team captain of the university. The sports facilities over here are really outstanding. This is definitely a dream place for any budding athlete.
Mody University matches the expectations of the students and the recruiters alike.
Industry leaders come and engage with the students to help them in becoming practical managers.
We have developed innovative academic curriculum that has industry-university interface. Thanks to the curriculum approach that students develop confidence and individuality.
Owing to such distinction of Mody University, students were able to fetch packages varying from 4.5 to 18 lakhs.
The major recruiters who visited our campus are Amazon, Ericsson, Infosys, Accenture, and the higher percentage of placements this year is a result of our hard work and special training we impart to all our students during their final year.
Hi, I am Varnika. I am an MBA Tech student. It's a 5-year integrated course, BTech plus MBA. Because of the conducive environment here at Mody, I got placed in Infosys and I'm really looking for my future ahead.
Life at Mody University not only has its young aspirants connected to their roots, but also provides them the wings to explore multiple platforms.
Facts which I like about Mody are the lush green campus, a campus where you'll get everything under one roof. The freedom which we enjoy is absolutely unparalleled.
Life for our women students at Mody University always wears a smile, filled with positivity, confidence and caliber. For us, it's a home away from home. Welcome to Mody University.